be your headline.
What?
This is how my husband washes laundry. Now I get to put it away.
So annoying.
Hey friends, welcome back. Stay tuned as I show you how I gave my very neglected bedroom a facelift for only $67. I hope this video provides you with the inspiration to give a room in your house a facelift and shows the transparency in my life I want you all to see on my channel. All of the items that I purchased to do the facelift are from the dollar store or Walmart. Alright, so turn your volume up and let's get started. If this is the type of video you would like to see more of, please give it a thumbs up so I know to produce more content like this. This project took me about a weekend to complete. I started on a Friday night and finished Sunday morning. Now, it only took me this long because I was only working when my children were getting ready for bed, or actually in bed, or napping. You know, that's the only time I could get any work done. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Becca. I'm a mom of 3, and I like to upload videos around cleaning, apraxia awareness, a neurological disability my son has, natural living, oils, reviews, homeschooling, and really just any lifestyle related video. After I cleaned off my dresser, I wanted to give my brushes a really good clean because they have been neglected for a while. I'm just using doTERRA hand washing soap to clean them. You can use shampoo or whatever. I just like the scent of this particular soap. I was advised once at Nordstrom when I purchased some brushes that you want to clean your brushes regularly, which I have not done. They were pretty dirty and neglected. I was advised that you want to wash the brush in the direction that the bristles go, gently running your fingers through it without separating it too much, and then you want to rinse it that way as well. You rinse it until the water runs clear, pat it out, then you fan it out as well and let it dry that way. I love these brushes. I think they're very good quality for the price that you pay. I purchased them at Ulta. They are Morphe and they are the Jaclyn Hill ones. I've owned some MAC brushes before, and honestly I think that these are the best bang for your buck. They're really good quality brushes and they're not that expensive. I have a few e.l.f. brushes in there that I really like as well. I don't know if I'm alone on this, but every house I've ever lived in, my room was always on the back burner. I typically always get the house in order and my kids' room in order before I even touch mine. We just moved into this house. We have been here a little bit over a month. It was pretty disastrous when we moved in, so we've been working slowly on getting each room painted and just cleaned and decorated. I really have been mistreating these brushes since I purchased them. They were just lying all over my dresser, and my makeup palettes as well. My son actually got a hold of one and dug his finger into it. That's when I knew I needed to do something to organize them better. I can't just throw them around and mistreat them. An easy way to keep your bed smelling fresh between shampoos is to take a little bit of baking soda, put a few drops of essential oil in it. I'm using lemon. I like to use lemon and spearmint, but I was out of spearmint. Shake it all up, sprinkle it on your bed, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then vacuum it up. It smells really good. Sometimes I feel like laundry will be the death of me. Just seems to be something that is always a constant in my house. At my last place, I was doing really good at keeping up with it. I developed a load a day system where I would put a load in at night and switch it, and then in the morning I would pull it out of the dryer, fold it, and put it away, and it actually helped me keep up on it. And someone needs to teach me how to fold a fitted sheet because I have no idea. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've already seen this, but this is a really amazing hack I found online. It's baking soda, vinegar, soap, and warm water. I had some oil stains in my carpet, and every time I tried to clean them, they would just spread. I tried everything, shampooing, the carpet stain removers, anything that I could find, and then I stumbled across this, and I could not believe that it took everything up. This is a combination I will always be using. It saved me. These jars are all purchased at the dollar store. To remove the sticky price tags, just put a few drops of essential oil on it and let it sit for about 5 minutes. In this clip, I didn't let it sit long enough, so it was a little bit harder, but the other ones I let sit for longer and they just wiped right off. These little pebbles are also purchased from the dollar store. This is a napkin holder from the dollar store. It works great to hold your palettes upright. I love these little jars. They're from the dollar store. I purchased 4 of them, 2 for my bedroom, 2 for my bathroom. I'll be doing another video showing you how I did a facelift on my bathroom. Using 2 of these jars to hold hair ties and bobby pins. An easy way to paint your furniture in an inexpensive way is spray paint. These were $3.97 a can. We used about 5 to paint all of the furniture to match in our bedroom. This is discount paint from Menards. They always have a clearance section in their paint department. Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, they always have discount sections as well, so always check that first before you purchase any paint. The video is titled Under $100 because I am assuming that you did not get discounted paint. Every time I go to the store, I always just run to the paint department to see if they have any discounted paint. Just cleaning the baseboards before I do the final coat of paint. All the furniture, I would say, took about 2 coats of spray paint. This headboard was originally a footboard. The headboard is twice that size. The bed frame took up too much of this room. Our last room was a lot bigger, so I just put it in the garage and I'm going to use it for a different project. The footboard worked out to be a pretty good headboard. Goodbye, mismatched blinds. These curtains are from Walmart. They were $4.97 each, and the curtain rod was only 97 cents. Purging some old clothes here. Just to give you a little backstory on this house, it was for sale, and I really liked the layout even though cosmetically it was very dated. It's in a decent neighborhood. The owner agreed to rent it to us for 2 years so we could save up for a down payment. So for now I'll be doing renter-friendly videos, and once I actually purchase it and start to remodel it, I'll post more videos around that. So if that's something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the little bell button so that way you are notified every time I upload a video. These little storage containers are from the dollar store. They fit really well in drawers and provide more space for your clothing. I had to purchase 16 to fit this dresser. Just doing the finishing touches, putting everything back. This is just a cute way to display all of your lotions or hair products. I will be doing a review on this diffuser. I have about 7 of them. I love them. The makeup bags came with the makeup brushes. Time to see our progress. Now I just need some wall decorations, maybe some pictures. I don't know. Drop a comment below for what you think I should do. I feel like this really brightened my room. The room looks bigger, there's a lot more light, and it's just overall a better vibe. What do you guys think?